Hello, happy Tuesday. You ready? Let's stand up and say the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good job. Okay, sit down. Hi guys. How you doing? It's a Tuesday. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I hope you're having a wonderful start to your week, right? Um, let's get our bodies and our minds ready for our video today. Let's go over our rules. Rule number 1, our mouth is quiet. Rule number 2, our eyes are looking. Rule number 3, my hands and feet are to myself, my body is still. Rule number 4, our ears are listening. And rule number 5, if you have a question or you need some help, you raise your hand, right? Raise your hand. That signals someone to come over and help you with something or answer your question. All right, so remember, mouth is quiet, eyes are looking, hands and feet are to myself, body is still, ears are listening, and raise your hand. Okay, now that we know our rules, let's talk about what's today. Today is Tuesday. So what does that mean yesterday was, boys and girls? If today is Tuesday, that means yesterday was, what? That means yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. What will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Remember, our days of the week, they always go in the same order, right? Our number today is the 76th day of school. We've been in school for 76 days. It's very exciting. Our date, remember, we're in the month of January, and we are in the 20th, right? So when we talk about our date, remember we have 3 parts to our date. The first part of our date is our month, and that's January. The second part of our date is our day, which is the 12th. And the third part of our date is the year, which is 2021. So can everybody say the date with me? Ready? January 12th, 2021. Did you say the date with me or did you just listen? Let's say it again. Ready? 12th, 2021. Okay, good job. On to our next portion. Today's number. So today is 76 days of school. We're going to move our bubble over. And we need to add 1 block to our ones column right there. And remember, as we count our tens, we use these numbers over here on the end of our number line. So we're going to count by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And that helps us get to big numbers really quickly. So let's count these groups of tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 70, 73, 74, 75, 76. 76 days we've been in school so far, boys and girls. That's so exciting. Yes. Okay, so today's number is 76. Wowzers. Okay, let's go to our days of the week. You ready? Shall we sing our song? There's Monday, there's Tuesday, and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Yep, we got it. How many days of the week are there in a week, huh? Boys and girls, do you remember how many days there are in a week? Let's count. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 days in a week. Ooh, that's not a great 7, is it? Miss Amy, we always do our best work. So there is a good 7. There are 7 days in a week. Now let's talk about our months of the year, okay? So let's sing our song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. Good job. How many months are there in a year? Do you remember? Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the 12 months of the year. And Miss Amy can write a much better 12 than that. There, works. And boys and girls, what month are we in? We are currently in the month of January. So we're going to put our little arrow right by January. All right. Look at that. Now we're going to do our calendar. So remember on our calendar, we always have the month at the top and it always says what month we're in. So this says January, and we always have our days of the week listed at the top as well so that we know which day our date falls on, which day of the week our date falls on. And of course, we always have our year on our calendar to make sure that we're in the right year. Okay, so today is the 12th, right? Today is the 12th. So, and it's a Tuesday. So we know that this is Tuesday, January 12th. Okay. That looks good. Do you think that looks good, boys and girls? Our calendar. Okay. Let's move on. Now it's time for our weather. Let's check and see how our weather is doing. Okay, here's our weather for the day, and it says Tuesday the 12th, so we know we're on the right day. And we have a sunshine behind a bunch of clouds. Let's see, let's read what it says. Considerable cloudiness. That means a lot of clouds. A high near 45 degrees, and there's a bit of wind coming from the southwest side. Oh my goodness. So there's going to be a lot of clouds, just a little itty bitty sun, and lots of wind. Tonight we have mostly cloudy skies. Early will become partly cloudy late, and we have a low of 39 degrees. So it doesn't seem like it's going to get very cold tonight. Wow. Okay. Well, let's go graph it. So we have a high of 45 and we have partly sunny today. There we go. 45 degrees. All right. The temperature is partly cloudy and it is cold outside today, okay? So wear your coat when you go outside. Okay, so for our activity for our activity this morning, we are going to count our snow guys, our snow tallies. We're going to count them, okay? So I'm going to get my handy dandy pen over here. And let's count our snow tallies, okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 tallies. Now these guys are in a little group, and when we have all these guys and we have 1 on the side, that's always going to represent how many? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 snow tallies. So this is a group of 5 right here. So whenever we see this little 4 lined up and then 1 on the diagonal like that, that means 5. That's kind of interesting. We'll always count them individually, but it's nice to know that that's consistently always going to be 5, right? So how many do we have total on this page? How many do we have? The 4 plus 7. Let's count them all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 snow tallies on this whole page right here. So 4 and 7 make, took that a little bit farther than we intended, but that's okay. Now let's count tallies on this card, right? There's a lot of them. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 snow tallies. And how many are there over here? How many snow tallies do we have over here? Do you recognize there's a thing? There's a grouping over here. Do you remember how many are in the group? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 snow tallies. Remember, this is always a group of 5. So how many snow tallies do we have on this page all together? If we take this many and we add this many together, how many are on this page all together? Let's count and see, okay? 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 9 and 5 make 14. All 14 snow tallies are on this page. Wow, that's a lot of snow tallies, aren't there? Okay, here we go. We have a couple more to do. How many snow tallies are on here? Do you know? Can you count? 1, 2. There's 2 snow tallies there. Whoa, that's not a very, we always do our best work. That's better. It's hard to write your numbers with your mouse. Okay, let's count these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Snow tallies there. So how many snow tallies do we have now? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 2 snow tallies plus 6 snow tallies make 8 snow tallies, don't they? They sure do. We're going to make a better 8. Okay, we're going to go with it. All right. Look, I think this is the last one. Ready? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on this card, we have 1, 2, 3. 3. So I want to know how many snow tallies do we have all on this card put together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 snow tallies on this page all together. That's a lot of snow tallies. That's the most page so far, huh? It sure is. All right. There is actually one more, and we only have one card on this page. So let's go ahead and count these snow tallies and see how many snow tallies we have on this page, okay? So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 snow tallies. Perfect. All right, girls, well, thank you for doing the video with me and participating. Remember, you have snow tallies in your hands-on centers that I dropped off for you guys last week. So feel free to pull them out and go through, and you can count the snow tallies on your own with your mom and dad or your brother and sister. Okay? So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk with you again soon, okay? Bye.